let's go. What are we doing? Woo. Can we get the twisted potato?
Yeah. How many orders?
One.
One? Okay. This is the hot powder.
Ooh. Thank you.
Thank you, Angel. Yeah, okay.
Can we get the Kit Kat fries?
Pepperoni?
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Oh, this guy's the best. Thank you. Oh, God. I just wondered. Oh, God. Thank you.
Yeah.
Girl, work it! Yes! We're at the PNE, what's it called?
Christmas holiday event?
It's the PNE Winter Lights.
Oh.
PNE Winter Nights? Winter Lights. I think it's PNE Winter Lights. We took a lot of footage of lights, and now we're here getting food. What food did you get?
I got the pizza, the pepperoni pizza. It's by the Little Devils, just right over there. It's a wood fire pizza, so we'll just see how it is. What did you get?
We got the twisted potato, and then we got deep fried Kit Kat, and then Ryan got an Oreo thing, like a Christmas Oreo.
Santa's Oreo?
Santa's Oreo.
Perfect.
And then I think that's all we got. There's not a ton of options, but there's some.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try them right now because it was too hard in the car, and we have the dog.
Yeah.
Okay, pizza.
Okay.
Michael is going first. Pizza time.
Well, you gotta fold it in half, that's right. This is how you eat pizza. You gotta fold it in half so it cups everything. Oh yeah, that was really good.
Tastes like pizza.
It's like crisp on the bottom, cheesy in the middle, nice tang from the marinara, saltiness from the pepperoni, and that little tiny like char bits on the bottom. Really good. Out of 10, how would you rate it?
I don't do ratings, but I am too stupid to do them. It's a good pizza for like where we are, especially like this is out of a food truck and we're at the PNE. But I like the fact, like you said, it's super charred. That's impressive.
I give it a solid 7.
Good pizza.
No. The rotato. It's a whole potato cut on a skewer, and it has many layers, so it's like many layers of potato chips. Just gonna eat it now.
What flavor?
I believe this one is a chili flavor. So, do I just bite it or tear it? I'll bite it. Crisp, salty, and kind of spicy. I dig it.
Is it actually spicy?
It's like scale 1 to 10. It's like 5. No, you gotta bite it like I did. It's pretty good. Kind of spicy.
Kind of spicy. It's good. It's really greasy. It's
That's
really
potato. It's fried potato.
greasy. It is spicy.
I'm gonna have another bite though.
I'm good with one bite because it's too spicy for me. Go.
And for dessert,
Yum yum.
okay, you have to tell me on this. I have never ever tried in my life deep fried candy bars.
They're delicious because it brings out all the deep fried goodness. I've never had a deep fried Kit Kat. Let's do it together. Let's like cheers it.
Oh, okay.
Cheers and yum yum yum.
Wait, we gotta do this. No. I don't hate it. Okay, it's weird. It's like breaded chocolate, but it's semi-sweet. It's kind of like a funnel cake.
I love it. One of my favorite things. It's so bad for you. Oh yeah, there. What is this, Ryan?
Santa's Oreos.
Okay.
Do I take one?
No, I don't want to hold one.
Okay, you take that.
I don't want. I'm already kind of like sugared out. Baby bird.
The Oreos ones are so much better.
Agreed. But they all kind of taste the same.
I was gonna. But yeah, it kind of tastes the same. Oh look, it's the Grinch.
Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come,
Yes, work it!
to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, all ye faithful, joyful and triumphant.
Merry Christmas!
Come ye to Bethlehem. Come and behold him, born the King of angels. Come, let us adore.
Merry Christmas! There's more. They're the replacements.
Oh my god,
Oh, they are.
Hello, replacement.
Merry Christmas!
Hello, replacements.
Come and behold him.
Oh my God, Santa, have my babies! Santa!
Tis the season.
Tis the season. Have a merry holidays or whatever you celebrate.
It's called Holidays.
Holidays.
Yeah.
Merry holidays.
Merry Holidays, everybody.
I can't do that. But come to the PNE Winter Lights. East Vancouver. Awesome. I love stuff like this. So yeah, thanks. Thank you everyone.
Thanks for bringing me. Bye-bye.